Hey friends, welcome back. Let's dive into the magical world of Disney Solitaire. Lately, I've been seeing this little trick pop up all over the place. Players are saying you can collect extra stars and coins in Disney Solitaire using just your phone. No computer, no complicated setup, just a few taps and a little luck. At first, I wasn't totally convinced. Anything that sounds this easy usually comes with a catch, right? But instead of wondering about it, I decided to try it out myself and see how it really plays out. In this video, I'll take you through everything I did step by step from the very beginning to the end, and then we'll check out the final results together. Let's see if a little Disney magic really makes the cards fall into place. The first thing you need is your user ID. Most of the time, you'll find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. It only took me a moment to locate mine. I copied it and saved it for later. This part is really straightforward and doesn't take long at all. After that, I opened a web browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work. Once I landed on the site, I used the search bar to look up Disney Solitaire and selected the option for stars and coins. After that, I chose my device type. I'm playing on Android, but I did notice iOS was available as well, which was nice to see. Next, it asked how much resources I wanted to add. Just to fully test it, I selected the highest amount available. After confirming, a few progress bars showed the steps being completed. Each step was clearly labeled, so it was easy to follow what was happening. Before it finished, there was a short verification step. The instructions were clear, so it didn't feel confusing. I already handled that part earlier. So let's jump ahead to the results. To see if the magic actually worked, I opened Disney Solitaire again and checked my stars and coins, and they were already there. No restarting the app, no waiting for anything to sync. The balance updated instantly, like a little sprinkle of Disney magic right on the screen. I honestly didn't expect it to happen that fast, and it genuinely caught me by surprise. So, based on what I tested, everything worked the way it was explained. The steps were simple, the site worked well on mobile, and the whole process was easy as long as you follow it carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.